So Goku meets Krishna, and Krishna has the Basuri, and Basuri has music. Music meets Shruti, and Shruti. So Goku and Shruti.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही।
Morning light breaking through.
There are many dimensions to Gokul. We always think about him as a geek sometimes, a techie, a scientist. But there's also a surprising angle because when he was maybe like 8 or 9 years old, he would write stories. He would actually write books, mimicking Shakespeare books. So, you don't always imagine a scientist writing literature.
It's a unique personality, as both right and left brain kind of working. He can write some poetry, at the same time he can get very technical on technical things.
Stay with me forever. Say you'll be my only love.
Shruti will forever have you in splits. She's charming, funny, and sensible. And there's no one with a bigger heart.
The lady will demand how many steps to be taken. Ladies? 2. One, Gokul. 1 for love and 1 for the family. Take steps. Try it.
We're almost there.
We walk 1 step. We walk 1 step.
Bingle, bingle, little star. What does the taste of a star?
We're really, really happy to be here.
We're so happy.
We wouldn't miss it for the world.
Yeah, we really would. But we've been talking about this day for a while.
Since school.
And
It's finally here.
happening.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲಂಕೃತಳಾದಂಥ ಕನ್ಯಾಮಣಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಕಾಶಿ ಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವಳ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಣಿಗ್ರಹಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಪಾಸನಾಗ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಮ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಸಮೇತವಾಗಿ ಕಾಶಿ ಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋರಂತೆ. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ದಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಶುಭಗೆ ಸಂಜೀವ ಶರದಾಂ ಶರಂ. ಇದೇ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನೀರಿರೋ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
Marriage is something between two families, and it's not between two personalities. It is our family, it is no more two families, it is our family, it is one family. And uncle, it is a promise from all of us that we will take care of Shruti extremely well, and I'm sure all of you will be as happy as we are to get Shruti. Thank you so much.
Welcome to family, Shruti.
What strikes me about both of you is excellent compatibility and temperament of both of you, which I find go a long way in your life.
రంగా ఉంది నిజం చెప్పాలంటే బాగున్నారు కపుల్స్, వాళ్ళు అట్లే ఉండాలని నా కోరిక.
I'm extremely happy for both of you, Shruti and Raghu. Wish you all the best in life.
The way you guys are, the smiles on your face just says it all, I'm so happy for you both.
I know he's a very nice guy, down to earth, and definitely will keep you happy.
Keep her happy otherwise.
पूरा है चिल्लम में पूरा है शुरू तैयारी आज के मामा वाली शाम चिताई है शुरू सवारी.
Shruti's mom and my mom in fact used to call us soulmates, and that's exactly how it was until that mister came up from the middle of nowhere. And now he says he wants to be the soulmate. So before he does, I'll have one last dance with my soulmate. It would be really nice to have your support.
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई, दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई. गुजरिया ओ गुजरिया ओ गुजरिया show me how to party हमने तो ये सुना है छोटी सी एक दुआ से तू भी ये चाल चला दे खुद की ही बात बना दे Show me how to party आएगी तू जो छमसे तेरे उठते कदम पे धड़कन से ढोल बजा दे होठों पे बोल सजा दे Show me how to party
कैसा ये नशा है ऐसा सर चढ़ा है बदला ये जहां है पल भर में
ओ गुजरिया ओ गुजरिया ओ गुजरिया है क्या क्या इरादा तेरा ओ गुजरिया ओ गुजरिया show me how you party
Shruti and Gokul have just bonded together, so they're officially husband and wife. We're all very happy.
Shruti and Gokul, you are looking fabulous today, and I wish you a very, very, very happy married life. Or in Kannada, Maduveya Subhashaya Dilu.
Shruti and Gokul, on my 21st birthday, all my friends had given me a birthday card. And on that card, Shruti had specifically mentioned that Ronnie Day, you better be there on my wedding. And Shruti, I have kept up your promise. All the best and I love you so much.
We've been in each other's lives for the last 2 decades, and honestly, I can't remember not knowing her for one single day. Finding someone you love and who loves you back is a wonderful, wonderful feeling. And I couldn't be happier for you guys. So Shruti, you're about to embark on the greatest adventure of your life. Make dumb jokes, be kind to one another, and don't sweat the small stuff. Gokul, to keep your marriage brimming with love in the cup, whenever you're wrong, admit it, and whenever you're right, just shut up. Cheers to Gokul and Shruti. Woo!
I met Gokul last November, and it's obviously an arranged marriage situation. So I was like, yeah, okay. My parents asked me to meet him, so I went and met him, and I really only got to know him 2 months before we got engaged in January.
It's just been 4 months, 5.5 months since I've known Shruti, and I've already learned so much about her. She's learned so much about me. It's just natural being together with her. So.
I came back from India and I felt really sick, and he arrived 2 days later and he just showed up at my doorstep with homemade rasam because I was really sick and I couldn't cook for myself. So I think that was the sweetest thing that anyone's ever done for me. And so that's how I kind of felt like, okay, maybe this is special. And so we continued on and on.
Well, I first met her, I drove to her place because it was really close, and we had lunch together. It was very interesting because we had a lot of things in common. The attitudes, very, very common. I really liked how she thought, how reasonable she was, and how clear she is in her head. She's very passionate about what she does. She immediately acknowledged what I like and what I am all about very fast, which went a long way in making my decision very easy. I am very happy to welcome her into my family and me being a part of her family.
You meet a lot of different people in an arranged marriage process, but every time you meet somebody, you think, oh yeah, this is the right person, this is the right person. But Gokul was just so organic. Like, I never had to think about it. Even though I haven't known him very long, I feel like I know enough about him to live a life with him. So I'm looking forward to an awesome life and of adventures with you. I love you.
Definitely make it as easy as it can be for her, and I'm going to be there. So I am very excited for what lies ahead.
नए नए सपने जो बन सके उसी जिंदगी को कहो जिंदगी, नए नए रास्ते जो चुन सके उसी जिंदगी को कहो जिंदगी, पल पल में चलती हो झूम के चलती हो वो है जिंदगी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे भूल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं